Can fish actually smell humans on tackle? Or is that just another fishing myth that refuses to die? You'll hear confident answers on both sides. Some anglers swear human scent ruins a bite. Others say it makes no difference at all. To cover human scent, some people use commercial products on their hands and/or tackle. Others use natural smells like coffee or pine needles. If fish can smell so well, why wouldn't they ignore a lure just because someone touched it? And if they can't, why do scent products sometimes seem to help? To understand this, we need to start with what fish are actually capable of smelling. Fish do have a highly developed sense of smell. Water constantly flows through their olfactory bulbs, allowing them to detect extremely small concentrations of certain chemicals. They use this ability to locate food, recognize other fish, detect alarm substances, and navigate their environment. But fish don't smell one smell they label as human. What anglers call human scent is really a collection of foreign chemical residues. Fish can detect individual chemicals found in human sweat, but under most conditions those chemicals are too diluted and too noisy to matter. But soap, sunscreen, insect repellent, fuel, plastics, oils, and even residues from tackle manufacturing can all transfer from hands to gear. These aren't biological signals fish evolved to respond to. They're simply unfamiliar chemical cues. That's where the misunderstanding by anglers begins. Fish don't identify the source of a smell. They don't categorize it as human or non-human. Instead, they react to whether a chemical cue fits their expectations for background noise, food, or even danger. When something doesn't fit, it can cause hesitation. Smell becomes more important when other senses are limited. In low-visibility water, at night, or when fish are moving slowly and sampling water rather than chasing prey, chemical cues play a larger role. In those conditions, strong or unfamiliar odors can stand out more clearly and influence behavior. In fast-moving water, or when fish are actively feeding by sight or vibration, scent often matters far less. In fast-moving water, water flow disperses chemicals quickly. Visual and mechanical cues dominate. That's why anglers can catch fish aggressively in some situations without worrying about scent at all. So here's the question that usually comes next. We know foreign smells can alert fish, so why do some scent products seem to work anyway? The answer is context. Some scent products don't just mask odors, they add familiar chemical cues associated with food. Others reduce sharp foreign smells that might stand out in low-activity situations. In slow, pressured conditions, that can encourage fish to hold a bait slightly longer or hesitate less before committing. In high-energy feeding situations, the same product may do absolutely nothing. This is why opinions are so polarized. Anglers are often fishing very different conditions while talking about the same idea. Smell, like vision and vibration, is just one input. Fish constantly balance multiple sensory signals. When smell dominates over sight in murky water, unfamiliar chemicals can matter. When it doesn't, in clear water, they fade into the background. So it isn't true that fish can't smell. They absolutely can. The myth is that fish are reacting to human scent specifically. What they're reacting to are chemical cues that don't match their environment, and only when conditions allow those cues to matter. Worry about scent when fish are feeding slowly and visibility is low. Don't worry about it as much the rest of the time. If you like learning how fish actually think and behave, please subscribe.